Kevin here from Whole Fleet Diagnostics. Really exciting. So Jaltest has been running Black Friday deals on Jaltest kits for the last, since the 16th of November, right up till the 29th. You can get yourself a Jaltest package with a rugged tablet. That's what we're going to look at here. So this is a Getac rugged tablet. The specs on it are very good, very fast, very powerful machine for its size. 128 gigabytes of storage. That's the only place I think maybe we could have added a little bit more. This is a great little unit if you're going to be running Jaltest and a few other programs. If you want to load this up with OEM software as well, you're probably going to need a little more hard drive capacity. But nonetheless, for the price of this thing and the amount that they're giving it away for, it's pretty impressive. These packages for Black Friday, you can save up to $4,500 on a kit that includes the Jaltest kit of your choice, whether it's CV, off-highway, agriculture, one of these rugged tablets we're going to take a look at. Oh, that's really nice. So they've got Kojali Jaltest on the splash screen here. Very cool. And advanced technical support level 2 all included in the package. The combination, it ships up right from the factory. We just got this one from Kojali USA. This is going to go out to a customer. As far as I'm told, they're all set up, ready to go. So this licensing is all set up. Basically, out of the box, plug it in, fire it up, plug in your Jaltest link, and you're off you go. So yeah, pretty handy. Nice little background they got on there as well. So looks really flashy, right? You can take a look at the unit here. Right, so pretty good size. It's nice and light. Comes with some accessories here too. You can see we've got the hand strap for the back here. Comes with a stylus as well. Right, so we can use the stylus. I think there's even, I saw on the back here, we can even plug that stylus in. Look at that. So there's a little holder for the stylus there. Kind of nice. You've got your ports on here. I don't know. So we got the charging port, obviously. Found that one. And then beside that, there's looks like a VGA port. And then on the other side here, bear with me, there's the USB network cable. USB-C. Cool. Right on. So new style USB-C. Very nice. And you can see, yeah, you can rotate it all the way around there. Got the webcam on it. Both sides, actually, which is kind of cool. But yeah, really fancy unit. I don't know if Jaltest will be offering these following the Black Friday sale. Quantities are limited. We've had a lot of interest. This is the first of a few that we've got going out this week, and then I'm sure there'll be more next week. So again, these are straight from the factory, brand new units. We'll ship them up into Canada and then ship out to you if you're a Canadian customer, or we'll drop ship direct to our US customers. But yeah, this packages at $4,500 off the price. You can't go wrong. Rare Jaltest offers these kinds of discounts from the factory. So really exciting, really cool unit. I'm excited to get the feedback from our customers. And if you guys are interested in the Black Friday deal, or you're interested in Jaltest kit, you want to see a demo, trial unit, something like that, we can definitely talk about hooking you up. But yeah, Black Friday, other good deals coming on. Go to wholefleet.ca to check out what other kind of Black Friday offers we have going. And yeah, reach out if we can help with anything.